Last story. Windows 11 tightening the screws on settings. And or the best, I suppose. Depends on how you look at it, right? We got in this story, Microsoft is basically telling people you're not going to monkey around with storage anymore. We're taking the controller from you, and we're going to say, hey, unless you have admin access, you're not going to be able to really toy around with storage going forward. And you get some prompts, I think, going forward to say, hey, storage needs to again have admin access because it's fragile. You can get in there, start monkeying around with stuff. Empty your recycling bin when people didn't need to have it emptied, recycled, removing cache stuff from applications that helped it run faster because it was stored already within the system. You dump all that now that the app is asking for resources, tapping your CPUs all over again because it has to regain all of that stuff that it had marked and stored before. It has a lot to do with your cleaning tools, boot ups, disk management, storage sense, all of that stuff. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, or it isn't your device to do it on, maybe we keep that behind a locked door for a little bit. So I'm all for them doing this because, again, all the PCs I have are my PCs, so I know how to manage that. But I think it's a good idea to start putting some of that stuff behind admin access. What do you think? More stuff behind admin access.
I think that's a good idea. I think that's what you've got to do at this point. I mean, storage is where your files are. I don't want people to be able to just go in there and monkey with storage just because I'm gonna sit. I think of my nieces and nephews. Not that they would. They're good. They're good kids. I'm gonna sit down at Uncle Dave's podcasting PC and I'm gonna dance around. Oh, look, there's that picture of Uncle Dave, kind of like you're showing there on the screen. For your Windows profile. Let me click around here and see what I can do. Oh crap! I just deleted the partition that Uncle Dave's podcast is on, and they didn't get prompted for any passwords or anything. So my question is more like, why hasn't this been there the whole time?
That's a good question. I don't know if they have an answer for that, but they said at least starting with this February security update. So a lot of you should start, if you're updating your system, should start seeing it. Opening the storage settings page in the settings app will trigger a user account, UAC prompt. And the company noted via Windows latest that the changes to help ensure that only authorized Windows users can access system files. Windows now displays the user access control prompt when you open the storage settings. And I think, in addition to just, being a security thing, it's also just a user-friendly thing to remind people like, hey, you're about to do something very permanent, potentially. Are you sure you want to do this? I know Windows does this kind of already, but there are a lot of times when people just click past the first prompt, like, all right, you know what? Yes, 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 yes. And then they realize, and I've done this once with OneDrive. I deleted a ton of stuff from OneDrive by accident. And luckily there's a 30-day window where you can go and get that stuff back. But, trying to clean up stuff, delete things. I deleted an entire section of photos that, could have been very valuable if I had lost them. And having that admin prompt to say, all right, you know what? You can't just click a yes to this. Put your password in here, please. Will maybe stop me to be like, wait a minute, what am I actually doing again? Oh, maybe I don't want to do that. So there's that aspect as well. Last story.